our brand new FlexiCharge 12 volt and 6 volt 4 amp charger. Let's check it out. So up until now, there hasn't been much on the market to charge small lithium batteries. I mean, if you've got a motorcycle battery like I do, and they're going lithium now, in the past, all we can do is rely on these useless bloody things with a pissy little cable like that. Now we can charge lithium batteries safely and better with this beautiful ripper 4 amp charger. Typical KickAss style, we give you the Anderson plugs. You can connect this battery all your time. Go to connect it up to your bike, your jet ski. Booyah, away you go. How cool is that? And we also give you the Anderson with the crocodile clips as well, so you can just click it on as well. So the beauty being 1 to 4 amp, you can choose all your different battery styles from small to medium with the FlexiCharge. It's absolutely sensational. Okay, so it also has your starter battery and alternator test function built in like its bigger brothers as well, which comes in really, really handy. It has your lithium activation mode, so if your lithium battery falls to sleep, we can wake your lithium battery up. That's absolutely awesome. There's still an AGM recondition mode like its bigger brothers as well. It has all your safety features built into it, so you're never going to have any issues. You can't short circuit it. You're never going to cook a battery. That's kick-ass quality for you. So there we go, the FlexiCharge 4 amp, 6 and 12 volt battery charger. Perfect for your jet skis, your motorbikes, your ride-on mowers, all your smaller stuff, tinnies, you name it. So head online or head in store to grab one today. You absolute ripper.